Okay guys, I brought my nose in the laundry room here because it's warmer in here than the garage. As you see, I had to remove the one decal. Now let me show you what I did. Let me give you a close-up. Now you see that line there? That we got to sand down. Now, this is where I had the tape. What we're going to do next is we're going to wet sand all this. We'll wet sand this and, well, the whole thing has to get wet sanded because you can see the orange peel in it. But this is going to get wet sanded down. And then that line right there, that's going to get wet sanded down. Then once we wet sand this, if it looks good, we'll put the clear coat on it. Then the clear coat has to get wet sanded down. And then we'll hit it with a 3M perfected polish, and it should look like nothing ever even happened. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, guys. It's going to look like nothing ever even happened to it. I'm going to show you guys all the steps that led up to this. This is just a quick video. I'll catch you later.